Welcome to Odom's Half Acre Homestead. Today I'm gonna show y'all my berry plants: raspberry, blueberry, blackberry. This right here is raspberry. Look at them; they're everywhere. Berries galore. These right here, red heritage. This right here is yellow ends. Let me take y'all around here to show you. I think blueberries be up next. Oh, I'll show you some of my potted trees while I'm at it. It's a little Myers lemon I got last year. It's growing pretty good. This right here is a Calamandan. You can see something that's been tearing it up since I put it out here. This is Valencia orange. It's a white guava. So here's my Persian lime. Limes everywhere. Well, back to the berries. Grapevine is a beast this year. Look at all the grapes. But look at these blueberries. These two is pink lemonade. They were full of berries, and the deer come in and just took them out. But this one right here is full of blueberries. Some more. Look at that. It's a beast. One back here. That's an elderberry behind it, if you're wondering. It's full. It's blooming now. Another blueberry. Loaded. One right there. Another one over there. Another one right here. Now, take you show you my blackberries. Strawberries. These blackberries. Like some stole the berry off of them too. I think these right here are strawberry shortcakes, if I'm not mistaken. Bermuda grass is a problem around here. God, it's awful. These right here, they'll get you. But they have the sweetest berries. They got thornless. I don't remember the variety, but they thornless. They got thorns, and they have the biggest, sweetest berries. You just gotta mind the thorns. They're good. Some more right here. Strawberries. Been picking a lot here the last few weeks. Not too many now. Have a lot of slugs. They get most of the berries before I do. Once again, thank you for tuning in. Berries, it's the season. Y'all enjoy. God bless.